Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door shelf in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute or two to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door shelf. The refrigerator door shelf is used for additional storage at the bottom of the door. It's easily removed and reinstalled. The main reason why the door shelf would need to be replaced is if it's broken and falls off. Open the fresh food door. To remove this door shelf, all we need to do is snug it up a little bit on both sides and remove it. This is the old refrigerator door shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new door shelf, we need to bring it in above the locking tab and press it down firmly from both sides. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.